Okay. AC guy fell through the ceiling. So this piece of drywall is still left and it fits right in the hole. So I'm just gonna add some scabs of wood, tighten them up. Then I'm going to put the patch in and patch it. Okay, wherever you see screws, I put wood there, or that was a truss. Ran these screws. Got everything secured. Now I'm gonna scrape it back and get ready to mud it.
Okay, once everything's cut back, put the mesh tape on. It's self-sticking.
Start to coat it. Just getting the first coat on at this time.
Okay, before you mud, scrape back the popcorn. It doesn't have to be flat. Don't worry about it if it's bumpy. Skim over it. The texture is going to hide it all.
Okay, now just did the first skim coat. When it dries, I'll skim the whole thing and then popcorn it.
Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.